Hi, I'm Frank with Easyflex, and in today's video, I'm going to show you tips on how to install an Easyflex flexible sprinkler connection on a hard lid ceiling with metal stud framing. We understand each job comes with various conditions and requirements, and Easyflex offers solutions for what your job calls for. Okay, let's get started. I hope I was able to show you some tips on how to install an Easyflex flexible sprinkler connection on a hard lid ceiling with metal stud framing. Please refer to the links below and Easyflex installation instructions for further details. If you still have questions, give us a call. We'll be more than happy to help. For more Easyflex videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.